everybody, Annette with Sheridan Art and Designs, and we've been getting a few questions on how to make sure when you're making a continuous bias strip that you've got everything lined up before you stitch it down, because the lines and markings don't always match. So we're going to put this together like you normally would, right sides together, match your notches, match your diamonds, and match your circles, and then of course the edge of the fabric. And then you would just pin that just like you normally would a seam and stitch that. But if you want to check to see if that's correct, I've got one here already stitched down. You can see I've got it stitched, and the lines are actually going like this. If I were to lay this down and take a look at it, the way you check to make sure that that's all lined up correctly is just take your loop of fabric, give it a little shake out, lay it down on your table, and then move that seam allowance away from you. Just push that seam allowance away from you, and you'll see that those lines are lined up just perfectly. And then you would just start at one edge and then start cutting your bias strip here, and you just go cut through the whole loop until you've got one long strip. Okay, hope that helps.